Did you know every single sentence you speak falls into one of the four categories? Let's decode the four different kinds of sentences. The very first one is assertive sentences. Assertive sentences, also known as declarative sentences. These kinds of sentences are very simple. They state facts. They can be positive sentences or they can be negative sentences. Let's take one example. I love learning grammar. It is a simple sentence that is stating that I love learning grammar, starting with a capital letter and ending with a full stop. Let's take another example. He is not a clever boy. Now, this is having not in it. It is a negative kind of an assertive sentence. It is simply saying that the boy is not clever. It is again an assertive sentence. It's a simple sentence ending with a full stop and it is having not in it. Now, let's talk about the second type of a sentence, that is interrogative. Interrogative sentences are actually derived from interrogation. When you interrogate somebody, when the police interrogates the criminal, or somebody, they ask questions. So interrogative sentences are actually question sentences. There are three types of interrogative sentences. The very first one is WH questions. For example, where are you? It is a WH type of question. When you ask a WH type of question, it's an explanatory question. Explanatory question means where you have to explain your answer. Now the B part is yes, no. Yes or no type of questions. For example, I say, are you coming for the meeting? These kinds of sentences, they end with a question mark. Unlike assertive sentences, they end with full stop. So here, are you coming for the meeting? You simply have to say yes or no. Yes, I'm coming for the meeting, or no, I'm not coming for the meeting. The third part is your alternative questions. Alternative questions. For example, do you like tea or coffee? Here, you simply have to choose any of the options. That I like tea, or somebody will say I like coffee, like I personally like coffee. So, in interrogative sentences, these three kinds of questions can be framed. They are very simple. Assertive sentences, simple and positive sentences also can be negative. Simply state facts. Interrogative sentences or question sentences are where you ask questions. They end with a question mark. They have WH of questions where you have to explain yourself. They have yes no type of questions where you answer in yes or no. And they have alternative questions where you get an option and you have to choose your correct option. What is your answer in among those options? So I hope this much is clear. I'll be meeting you in the second part where I'll be discussing imperative sentences and exclamatory sentences in that video. Till then, keep learning.